players. On a smartphone, voice to text, yelling they hate all new tech. AI is bad is what they say, but they use Google every day. They'd be lost just driving home with no phone map to get them home. Lay it down low and let it flow. CAE gonna go and go. Down low and let it flow. CAE gonna go and go. Down low and let it flow. CAE gonna go and go. Down low and let it flow. CAE gonna go and go. You preach no AI on Facebook, really man? Seriously, look, don't you understand? You undermine your credibility with every line. You're using AI to give your sermon. Your congregation nervous, squirming. You only see what you want to see, but today you looking at CAE. Down low and let it flow. CAE gonna go and go. Down low and let it flow. CAE gonna go and go. Everyone here getting bass tonight. CAE got us feeling alright. No trash talk, just keeping it real. One more time just to seal the deal. I tell it like I see it, I see a fool. You bitch about progress, you think that's cool. And you bitch on a platform, you bitching